replacement earbud for the Samsung Buds FE, and to demonstrate you how to do this, we'll take a full set, as you can see here, connected to the phone. And connecting to the phone is an Android phone with a wearable app. It's important that you use the wearable app of your Android phone, because it might be necessary to update the firmware of your buds, or at least one of them. And you can see it's connected left, right, 97%, fully charged, so that's good. And what we'll do now, we'll reset this set. Voila, we'll take one out. So imagine you've lost your right one, and we'll use our set here. Pick out a replacement bud, put it in. As you can see, it lights up red. And to connect the two now to each other, we'll have to touch both areas slightly with the two thumbs. Wait a bit. There you see it blinking green. Wait a bit more. And it should now be possible to connect these two. First, you have to touch the two areas in order to couple the two buds to each other, and then you can connect it to the phone. And we're still in the wearable app, as you can see. And the important part about this is that the two buds might have different firmware versions, and this will result in only one of them showing actually in the app, but also asking to update. So we'll click update. This usually takes 2-3 minutes to finish. Just to make it a bit easier, we'll pause the video this time. So now we have about 10 seconds left to go for the update to go its course, 100%. You can see, keep the case open. We'll keep the case open. At this point you have to wait a second. They should come back automatically. Well, they're connected, and again it shows only the right one. Go back to earbud settings, software update, check again. Software is up to date. Should be alright. Try closing case and opening it. Still only the right one, and again we'll disconnect and try coupling the two buds to each other by holding the touch areas with the two thumbs. I have to take them out again. And you see it blinking green. We'll go back to our wearable app. See the Buds FE. Try again. Pair. Continue. And now the left one shows up by itself. Again, we click update. It says fully up to date. And we see the later. It seems that the wearable app is not doing what it should be doing. Try again. Click update. Again, we'll pause because this will take about 2 minutes. So we have about 10 seconds left on the clock. So what happened here probably was that both buds did not have the latest version. So it's not only that they had different versions, but they also didn't have the latest versions of the firmware. So both buds should now be updated to the latest and the same version. And if we're lucky and they reconnect, we should see left and right one, and if not, we'll try again to connect them to each other. Come on, guys. And there you see, left, right, 98% charged and fully functional.